Dear friends, nice to see you in this edition of District. Welcome to this presentation from GCT. This is our 6th year continuous participation in District. And the reason of participation is successful growth of the event. We feel this event can bring all the participants to one common platform and discuss and resolve the issues pertaining to the retail channel. The IT peripherals, the next best thing. This is the message I would like to convey to you through this presentation. IT peripherals industry is changing fast as we speak. The changes so fast, needs and wants of IT users are changing worldwide. Their lifestyle and preferences are changing through the peripherals industry. Today, most of us are woken up by the mobile phone alarm or a home country music from the internet radio. We catch up national and international newspapers on the e-news, e-paper, on the website, on our desk or on PDA. Correspondence at work has taken a new turn. People send meeting requests and mail sitting right next to you or ping you. Training and meetings happen on video conference nowadays. Coffee with friends every evening has taken to poking and sending drink on Facebook. A few years before, celebrities hated to be followed, saying they have never had privacy. By today, all want to be followed thanks to Twitter. Online movies, gaming are the end things. Won't be surprised buying or renting DVD would be one of the past. So people feel like handicapped without internet and so without peripherals and IT products. To gather the need of IT user with this rapid change, customer expectation of a brand is getting higher. Some of the basic yet important things they expect: innovation, technology, reliability, and durability. So what are we doing at Genius to cater to the consumer? Innovation. We have over 500 patents associated with Genius, which clearly state Genius invests time in R&D and provide the most innovative products to the consumer. Technology. Pico Receiver, one of the first companies to give consumer the smallest receiver in the world, flying scroll, 8-way scrolling mouse, always delivering the best-in-class technology for our customers. Reliability. Even though we manufacture over 48 million Genius products in a year, we are maintaining a record with the RMA and defective items, keeping the bar below 0.02%, which is one of the reasons we have received Taiwan Excellence Award over the years, and of course, customer satisfaction. Durability. We pay attention to the durability, to each product manufacturer, and ensure the consumer gets utmost satisfaction at any point of time of usage. If at any time you face a problem, you get an immediate replacement. Recent studies show an average man spends 50 to 60% on his time on the computer, and it's set to increase as well. So Genius wants to be their part of lifestyle. Genius has done extensive research on various parameters in terms of developing the product. These parameters include style with the fashion statement, elegance, powerful, convenience, easy to use and creativity, durability, portable, targeting user on the road, on the move, and comfortable as well fashion. Now, you might be thinking whether it's possible to offer everything you show in my presentation and it's affordable price. So let me assure you all, it's possible for Genius our products are not highly priced. We want to offer value for money to our customers and, of course, good margin for our retail partners. So this is not expensive, and it's all you can find from Genius IT accessories. And now this is how our retail business cycle performs. Optimum marketing mix, display variety, cash to ringing, RMA, and customer satisfaction. On the marketing side, on the retail marketing, we use online marketing as one of the great tools to reach out to all the consumers. We are also conducting various roadshows and seminars, as well as partaking in exhibition and events. We are sending emails to end users on a regular basis. As well, our website, genius-me.com, is being revamped and completely revamped and enriched with a lot of information. Our display variety, our product category, and the segments are perfectly matching with the retail requirements. Less space consuming. Our products line up in a suitable display in the retail outlet. Whether it's on the shelf, displays, pallet, end cap, basket, or gondola, Genius product will fit easily on the displays, which is extremely helpful for the retail channel. Our in-store branding using lifestyle image in eye-catchy and attractive. Cash to ringing, we have over 540 active SKUs, which is extremely healthy sign. We would like to see all our retail channel is making healthy margin, which is important for the success of business. And here I will highlight that we have 540 active SKU, and they are all listed in our retail. And our business model is extremely suitable for retail business, which is why we are so successful in this industry. Customer satisfaction, it's a key factor for a business success. We offer peace of mind by providing a free toll-free number. As well, you can log in and put your complaints online, and we offer 2 years warranty with immediate replacements. And now I'm pleased to announce the Power Retail Program, which is PRP, which we're going to launch it in the UAE, and very soon we're going to launch it in the other regions. The program called Retail Power Program, which divided the retail into different categories: platinum partners, gold partners, silver partners, and base partners. The program works as follows. I'll go on a brief of that. For the platinum partner, we divide the program into two: one platinum premier and one platinum. The platinum premier means like the stores will maintain a stock, a minimum stock of over 130,000 dirham at any point of time. In return, GCC will provide 2 dedicated indoor sales representatives at all times in the Power Retail store. Plus additional promotion and support will be 2 in-store promotion any time of the year. Each promotion will run for 15 days and will get a 20% flat rebate on sales out during the period. Plus, we'll go unlimited promotion and campaign during the year. The second category in the platinum, which is the platinum, so the value of stock will go down to 70,000 dirhams at any point of time. We'll provide 1 dedicated indoor sales representative and 1 in-store promotion any time of the year with a 15% flat rebate, plus of course also a roadshow and continuous supports and dedicated event bundle offers and promotion. For the gold sponsor, the minimum value of stock is 50,000 dirhams, 1 dedicated indoor sales representative, additional promotion as well, which is 1 promotion during the year with 10% flat rebate in-store roadshows. For the silver partner, the value of stock is 35,000, exclusive bundle offer twice a year in-store roadshow, assigned 2 to 3 merchandiser and promoter at any time during the year to promote the product. For the base partner, we run special promotion and during forecasted calendar events. So our vision for the Middle East, starting with UAE and we implement for the other countries in the Middle East, is to have this pay, which is 70% of our customers to be in the platinum partners, gold partner 20%, 10% silver partner. And my questions to you, where do you like to be? We would like you to be with us all the time. Thank you.